So today I'm going to give you a little sneak preview of my Screw 95 course, and I'll be showing you a tactic that you can use to get your sites ranking faster and making more money than ever before. Now this tactic will allow you to achieve traffic like this. It'll get your site shared on the social networks like this. And it'll get you sales like this. And this tactic all revolves around social networking websites. Now, it's no secret that these days every website owner on the planet is obsessed with building up a page for their site on Facebook and on Twitter and on Pinterest and on virtually every social network that's out there. However, most website owners have no idea that they can actually use these social profiles to get almost every site ranking in the top spots of Google. In fact, with just a few decent social profiles, you can do things like 1. Automate your entire link building process and drive hundreds of powerful backlinks to every page of your site from some of the biggest authority sites in the world. 2. Drive hundreds of reshares and natural social signals to every page of your site. And 3. Take the hassle and time out of SEO by getting your followers to do the hard work for you. So, how does it work? Well, let me show you. So, let's say that I have a WordPress powered site that's promoting cannabis related gear, including stuff like smoking pipes, vaporizers, and all sorts of other things that cannabis smokers might like. We'll pretend it's called coolcannabisgear.com. Then let's say that I have a page set up for my Cool Cannabis Gear site on all of the big social sites out there, including on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Google+. And then let's say that each of these pages have thousands of targeted and niche-related followers that all smoke cannabis and all love cannabis-related gear. Now here's how I can use these profiles to get my site dominating the search engines, the social networks, and basically the whole of the internet for cannabis gear. What I would do is find products that both target a keyword that gets searched for in the search engines and that are cool enough to get shared on the social networks. So, for example, I could add a page to my Cool Cannabis Gear site about this badass bong that's made from gold and sells for a massive £2,500 over at everyonedoesit.com. These guys have an awesome affiliate program that pays out about 10% for every sale. So for every sale of this bad boy, I'd be banking a cool £250, or in US dollars around $380. And the reason I would add this product is because it both targets a keyword, which is gold bong, which gets around 100 searches each month, and it's also cool and interesting enough that people will reshare it on all of the social networks. So, to then profit from this product, all that I need to do is simply make a post about it on my site with a nice big picture of it and a bit of text about it, and then I can just share it out to all of my established social accounts with thousands of followers, because here's what will happen when I do. Because my profiles are all full of real niche-related followers that are interested in this type of stuff, a ton of them will reshare that product with their friends.
OMG guys, this is so cool!
And then a bunch of their friends will reshare it with their friends.
A bong that's made from gold! Mind blown!
And their friends will reshare it with their friends, and so on. So, let's say that about 20 people reshare the product on Twitter, 20 people reshare it on Google+, 40 people reshare it on Pinterest, 70 people reshare it on Tumblr, and 100 people reshare it on Facebook. And keep in mind that these numbers are easily achievable, and often they'll be a lot higher too. Now, this all adds up to 250 reshares, which is a ton of social signals and will give you a massive boost in the search engines. But on top of this, you're also actually scoring 250 instant backlinks to that product from some of the most authority sites in the world. And the reason for this is because every time somebody reshares your link on one of these social sites, it gets reposted to their profile on that site, and it actually counts as another backlink. So if Todd is following my Cool Cannabis Gear Pinterest page and sees and likes the gold bong that I posted, then he'll reshare it to his profile, which will post a backlink to his profile to that product. Now, these backlinks from these social sites alone will often be enough to get that product to the first page of Google, which is not bad considering it only took me seconds to promote it and that this product makes $380 a sale. But it doesn't just end there, because people will also find these products on these social sites and then repost links to them to other places all over the web too. For example, people with cannabis-related blogs might see this gold bong on their favourite social network and include a link to it in one of their blog posts.
The 10 most expensive bongs ever made.
Or one of my followers might decide to post it over in the cannabis section of Reddit.
Now this is a bong that's fit for a king.
In fact, I guarantee you'll be totally surprised at some of the places that you start to see your link popping up if you do this correctly. Basically, by using this technique, you'll be able to easily, quickly, and almost effortlessly get hundreds or even thousands of powerful backlinks and social signals to every product on your site. And as a result, this will give each of those pages a flood of visitors, a heap of social signals, top rankings in the search engines, and of course a ton of sales. And all of this is without you even having to build a single backlink yourself. Now, this might seem quite simple, but it really is the fastest and most powerful way to get your site ranking and banking that I've ever come across. And once you start doing it, I guarantee you'll never look back. Now, of course, you probably still got a few questions, like, how exactly do I find products to add to my site that are both keyword targeted and guaranteed to go viral? How do I set up my site in such a way that people view it as an authority and link out to it and reshare my stuff and even come back to it over and over again? And of course, how the hell do I build up these big accounts for my site on all of the top social networking sites out there with real niche related followers? Well, that's where the Screw95 video course comes in, because not only will it show you how to do every single one of these things, but it'll show you exactly, step by step, how you can build these insanely profitable niche sites from scratch. I'll be showing you everything from how to choose a killer niche that's both easy to rank for in the search engines, and of course one that you can make a ton of money from. I'll be showing you exactly how to set up your sites so that they not only get top rankings in Google, but that they're viral as hell, that people naturally link out to them, and that people even come back to them over and over again. And it doesn't even matter if you've never set up a website before. I'll be showing you exactly how to find the perfect products to add to your site that not only bring in tons of affiliate commissions, but that attract thousands of visitors from all over the web. And I'll be showing you how to build up a massive Facebook page, a Pinterest page, a Google Plus page, a Tumblr page, a Twitter page, and a whole lot more for your site that each has thousands of real targeted followers that are crazy about your niche and ready to share your products all over the web. And I'll be showing you how you can easily get these followers without spending a cent on ads or using any expensive bots or software. In fact, it won't even cost you a cent to do so. So, in a nutshell, the Screw95 course won't just show you how to build sites that dominate the search engines. It won't even just show you how to build sites that dominate both the search engines and the social networks, but it'll show you how to build sites that dominate search, social, and basically the whole of the web for your niche. But that's not all, because here's the really awesome part about the course. I've always found that the best way to teach somebody something is to teach by example. So, throughout the course, as I walk you through every step of building up these profitable niche sites, I'll also be building up a real life niche site along with you right in front of your eyes from scratch to profitability. So you'll be able to watch over my shoulder to see exactly how every step of the process is done firsthand, and you'll be able to watch me choose a niche, set up a site, add products to it, get it ranking in Google, get it shared all over the social networks, and of course get it making a crazy number of sales. I even give you the actual website address for that niche site so that you can visit it and check it out for yourself. So basically, this stuff is seriously next level. And if you're looking for a no hype, no BS course that you can follow to make realistic income online, then the Screw95 course is exactly what you're after. So if you're ready to get serious about making money online and want to start building up your own profitable niche sites, then get your butt over to screw95.com, where you can learn more about the course and get instant access to it today.